was also Sergeant at Arms for the Dover Air Force Base Honor Guard. The reason why I'm making this presentation to you today is because my civil rights were violated by the Charles County Sheriff's Department on May 20th, 2010. My life was endangered by an enlisted member of the Air Force, David A. Porch, who is now stationed at Irwin Field, Florida. This man needs to be brought back to the state of Maryland to face felony charges of high treason and attempted murder, as well as death by motor vehicle and carrying a loaded concealed firearm. Another reason why I'm making this announcement is because there seems to be a misconception by our political leaders in office that just because you have an appointed judge and you have legal representation, that they are somehow immune to commit criminal misconduct themselves. Well, I would adjure you, leaders of office, and to even my Commander-in-Chief, President Barack Obama, that is not the case. Judges and lawyers alike are susceptible to breaking both federal and state laws. Upon investigation, we find that Judge Stephen Chappelle, Maryland District Attorney Karen R. Piper, had broken not only the U.S. Constitution regarding the use of firearms for self-defense, but they have also broken their own state constitution, which goes in more detail than the federal constitution provided by the U.S. Supreme Court. These trusted agents have also violated the Gun Violence Act of 1996, which gives you the lawful right to use and transport a firearm to any lawful place. And that includes self-defense, as it was on May 20th, 2010, with my encounter with David A. Porch. You cannot sit by and allow this to happen. It is not right for any politician to say that, well, you told me the truth, but by law I'm bound and I can't get involved. I beg to differ with you. Represent all military veterans. Everyone just service. Our job is not just to no state has the right to allow a judge to sit up and violate both federal and state laws and violate my civil rights and liberties. Not only that, my former Joseph E. Carey is also guilty of extortion on some $16,000, as well as breach of contract ever since June of 2010. This is not the type of court. This is not the type of justice that military veterans or even residents of the state of Maryland should allow to happen in this state or any other state. I no longer have legal representation because of Joe Carey's criminal conduct in the courtroom and outside of the courtroom. So if there are any attorneys that are licensed to practice criminal law and that are gun advocates, you're licensed to practice in the state of Maryland, but you reside outside of the state of Maryland, feel free to give me a call. My number is 240-435-8769. Again, that's 240-435-8769. An alternate number, 704-718-3273. Again, that's 704-718-3273. You can also find me on the internet. I'll be on Facebook, go into YouTube, Flickr, LinkedIn, as well as BET. And NAACP, I need your support. This is Black History Month. Black officer rights or his life being violated ever again on account of trusted agents that you thought could be trusted could not be. Let's bring the right people to justice and vindicate those who were wrongfully accused, such as myself. I'm Captain Antonius Reed, standing tall, representing